Hey there, thanks for joining us. This is Dee and Coco with Dee and Coco's Epic Adventures, and we are headed from Phuket to Bangkok. Come along with us as we review our time at the Coral Lounge located at the Phuket International Airport, as well as our stay at the Eastin Hotel located in the Sathorn district of Bangkok. The Coral Lounge is located nestled inside of the Phuket International Airport, and while it is quaint in size, it exudes beauty, sophistication, and class. I was really captivated by the charming British decor, and this lounge has an air of relaxation and peace. While enjoying fresh pastries and coffee, we had a wonderful view of the tarmac with a glimpse of the ocean. We were the first to arrive at this lounge before the crowds really got started, which ensured that we were able to really enjoy the freshly prepared dishes. There's a wonderful variety of freshly prepared hot foods, salad, fresh fruit, pastries, and wonderful, delectable desserts. There was a nice variety of beverages as well, including fresh juice, coffee, aromatic teas, soda, and water. We took Thai Airways to Bangkok, and this flight was only about an hour and a half. And during our trip, they did feed us a little sandwich and some water. My experience with Asian economy flights makes me realize how good they treat you compared to economy flights in the US. After flying on a few different Asian airlines, it made me realize that the airlines in America need to step up their game, learn how to appreciate their customers, and stop nickel and diming us. Just my thoughts. Anyway. We arrived at the Eastin Hotel located in Sathorn business district of Bangkok. And this is our hotel. You can see that bridge connected that leads to the train station, which is super convenient. And come check out our room. Don't mind the luggage, they brought it up before I came in. And this is our beautiful and spacious bathroom for our stay. In here you have a very large bench if you need it, and a gorgeous bathtub. They do provide a wide variety of toiletries, and in Asia I found that they always provide a toothbrush and toothpaste, so I really didn't need my own. And there is a very large walk-in shower with frosted windows so nobody can see, and they do provide shampoo and body soap. No conditioner, so you'll need your own. Little word of warning for the bathtub. It is gorgeous and overlooks the city, but it really is only big enough for one person, trust me. Our room was spacious, sophisticated, elegant, modern, and immaculate. They do provide water in the room and more upon request if you need it. There's a very large desk in the room if you need space to work. There's great views of Bangkok, which I really enjoyed. They're stunning. And they did provide some chocolates and fruit. I thought these were actually unripe oranges, but they turned out to be perfection. We had a very comfortable king-size bed. And in the closet, you'll find robes, slippers, flip-flops for the pool, a safe, and lots of space to hang your things. Also, I did find this closet entertaining because it's a walk-through, and you can walk from the room to the bathroom and vice versa. And of course, in the minibar, they do offer drinks and some snacks. And then on the side of the minibar, there are some other options. Oh yes, and let's not forget the coffee and tea that's provided. I really enjoyed the stunning cityscape view from our hotel room. If you can get club lounge access, I highly recommend it. We did, and breakfast and dinner were provided. Breakfast, aside from the buffet, there is a menu that you can order off of, and I love all of the fresh fruit options and pastries, as well as the coffee, the fresh coffees. And at dinner, there were drinks provided and really good food. So it's a great way to not be running around Bangkok on an empty stomach looking for food. There are a lot of rooftop bar options with really fun environments, but that requires you getting dressed up, going out in Bangkok's heat, finding your way there, finding your way back after a few drinks, and paying money for their drinks and food, as well as maybe providing transportation. We found this as a great option. You can get dressed up, enjoy the lounge here, enjoy drinks. If you want to go enjoy being outdoors and sitting by the pool, you can have your drinks down by the pool. And also they do provide like a happy hour. So yeah, there was really like no reason to go enjoy rooftop bars. So we didn't, but you can. We just had everything that we needed here at this hotel. So there just was no reason to go and enjoy the rooftop bars in Bangkok. I highly recommend taking a day if you're at the Eastin and enjoying the infinity pool. The views from here are amazing. The environment's relaxing. But again, the views are absolutely stunning. There is a bar if you would like to enjoy drinks by the pool, but I just could not get over these incredible views of the city. Well, that does it for our stay in Bangkok. Our stay was incredible. We had a great time in Bangkok. Both the lounge and the hotel were 5 out of 5 stars for us. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. And until next time, safe travels.